Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category to help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have two top contenders in the world of robot vacuums with mopping capabilities. In one corner, we have the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra robot vacuum, and in the other corner, we have the Roomba Combo J5. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top. When it comes to cleaning performance, both the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra and the Roomba Combo J5 have impressive features. The S8 Pro Ultra boasts a dual rubber brush system, providing a cleaner effect in one go and reducing hair tangles. With its powerful 6,000 pascals suction, it can pick up debris, dust, and more from both hard floors and carpets. On the other hand, the Roomba Combo J5 features a powerful 4-stage cleaning system that pulls in dirt, debris, and pet hair from wherever it hides. It even has proprietary dirt detect technology to detect dirtier areas and clean them more thoroughly. It's a tough call in this category, as both robots excel in cleaning performance. Now let's talk about mopping capabilities. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra takes mopping to the next level with its upgraded VibraRise 2.0 mopping system. It offers a wider mopping zone, high-speed scrubbing, and consistent mopping pressure, ensuring deep and effective cleaning. The liftable brushes and mop also allow for separate vacuuming and mopping, maximizing cleaning effectiveness. On the other hand, the Roomba Combo J5 offers a simple switch of the bin to transform it into a robot vacuum and mop. It comes with a specialized microfiber pad that tackles footprints, dirt, and dust. While both robots offer mopping capabilities, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra's advanced features give it an edge in this category. Navigation and mapping are crucial for efficient cleaning. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra utilizes 3D structured light and infrared image technology to identify and bypass obstacles. Paired with lidar navigation and 3D mapping, it generates detailed maps for accurate and customized cleaning. On the other hand, the Roomba Combo J5 uses advanced navigation and 2 cleaning passes to navigate your home in neat, efficient rows for a thorough clean. It also allows you to create no-mop zones, ensuring your carpets stay dry. While both robots have impressive navigation capabilities, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra's reactive 3D obstacle avoidance gives it an advantage in this category. Let's move on to the smart features. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra offers advanced app control through the Roborock app. It allows you to control various functions, such as auto-emptying mode, suction adjustment, scheduling, and even setting no-go zones. It also supports voice control through Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and Siri shortcuts. On the other hand, the Roomba Combo J5 can be controlled using the iRobot Home app, allowing you to create no-mop zones and customize your cleaning preferences. It's compatible with the Clean Base automatic dirt disposal for up to 60 days of worry-free vacuuming. In terms of smart features, both robots offer great functionality, but the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra's app and voice control options give it an extra edge. After comparing the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra and the Roomba Combo J5 in various categories, it's time to declare a winner. While both robots have their strengths, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra shines in terms of mopping capabilities, navigation and mapping, and smart features. On the other hand, the Roomba Combo J5 offers powerful cleaning performance and compatibility with the Clean Base automatic dirt disposal. Ultimately, the choice between these two robots depends on your specific needs and priorities. After comparing the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra and the Roomba Combo J5, we hope this video has helped you in making an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. See you next time.